Looking to elevate your camping experience? Discover our range of premium rooftop tents. Designed to fit your SUV perfectly, enjoy unparalleled comfort, convenience, and a fantastic view with our durable and easy-to-set-up tents. Upgrade your campsite and reach new heights in outdoor comfort today. YOUNGHUNTER uses an high-quality aircraft-grade, all-in-one aluminum design. It is characterized by super durable, not afraid of damage, not afraid of air, not afraid of thermal expansion and contraction, can be used many years. Hard-shell rooftop tent is equipped with air pressure rods, which can easily pop up or store the roof tent within 10 seconds. Easy and convenient. Overland RT supports all heights of cars on the market and can be used. Tent designed with polyester fabric. It is more comfortable than Oxford cloth, more waterproof. Characteristics, and it are comfortable and breathable. Protect privacy. People can't see inside the tent from the outside. Also can prevent sunlight from disturbing sleep.